Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious kitchen. Puri and Srikhand is one of the most cherished combinations, and that's why whenever we prepare puris, we go out and purchase the Srikhand. But if you prepare Srikhand our way at home, trust me, it tastes even better. So come on, let's check out how to make this awesome Srikhand, shall we?
We have taken 1 kilo curd or dahi, thick curd or dahi. We have made this dahi at home from full fat milk. The curd also should have cream or malai in it, because thick curd means creamy Srikhand. And now we are placing a sieve. You can take any sieve or channi and placing it on a vessel. And now we have spread a clean cloth. And now let us transfer the curd to this. And now we are tying this cloth up. Typically, this cloth is tied to a kitchen tap by the sink and left hanging for hours together. But the problem with not refrigerating it in a country like ours where it is hot is the curd can turn sour. And sour curd means sour Srikhand, and sour Srikhand will require more sugar. That's why it's better to refrigerate it. As you can see, water is dripping from the curd. Do not throw this water away. Mix it with curd and make kadhi. The kadhi will taste awesome. So now what we have done is place this cloth bundle with curd on sieve, placed it on top of a vessel, and we are going to refrigerate it for minimum 16 hours, but do not deep freeze it. After 16 hours, you can see we had placed a weight on it. We had placed this weight for just 4 hours. Now let us check how our hung curd looks. This is our hung curd, or chakka as they call in Marathi. Now this is the base for our Srikhand. This is a perfect texture for hung curd. Now we are going to whip it in the same direction with a fork for at least 10 minutes. Same direction for at least 10 minutes, and see the silky yummy texture. Now let us add other ingredients. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons fresh milk cream or malai, 1 teaspoon cardamom powder or elaichi powder, and this is sugar powder, half cup or 8 tablespoons. Mix it well. This is kesar. We had soaked this kesar or saffron strands in hot milk, and after it cooled down, we refrigerated it. And now we are adding this cool kesar and milk mixture to this Srikhand. You can add artificial color, we didn't. And these are almonds and pistachios, that is badam and pista. And now we are going to refrigerate this for at least 4 hours. After 4 hours, let us look at our Srikhand. See how yummy our Srikhand is. Perfect texture. This is much better than the store-bought one. Friends, hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.